this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the voice typing on your Samsung keyboard and just show you how to use it. So we can just click on here. Now it might not be obvious where it is. It could be located in the bottom left right here, so you can just press this. And I'm using the Google keyboard, so that's why this is a little bit different. So we can go to settings if we have that option. Scroll on down and go to where it says voice input. And we can switch between the Samsung or the Google one. So you have to download the Google voice typing from the Google Play Store. So, and then make sure you have use side button too. So you can press the side button down now to start typing. Then you can just hold this down. Hello, how's it going? Or you can just press the button down there. Now if it still doesn't work, go to settings, general management down here. Click this. Go to Samsung keyboard. Turn on voice typing. So we have that selected, and then we can delete this so we can see what we're typing. And then we should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.